In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background, like that. Now click on this icon at the top right corner and then enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it and reshape it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. Now, if you want to minimize your app, click on Home button and swipe Tiny Window to the side. Then access it by clicking on the bubble and then on Tiny Window. You can also turn it into a bubble instantly by clicking on this icon of a line at the top left corner. Then tap on the bubble to go back to your window. If you want to use your app in full screen view instantly, click on this button at the top left corner. And if you want to close it, you can either turn it into a bubble and drag the bubble to remove section at the bottom, then let go. You can click on this X at the top right corner to close it instantly, or turn it into full screen view and tap on Home button, then swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!